Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a teeny tiny box and you can get 6 of these from one sheet of designer series paper, which means that you're going to get a lot from a pack. So I'm thinking wedding favours, table favours, just nice cute little gifts, and it just opens up like that. Really sweet. And this is the Free as a Bird paper, Bird Ballad suite. Or maybe that's the other way around. Is it Bird Ballad paper? Free as... Yes, it is. Free as a bird sweep. Anyway, it's lovely. It's really sweet. The paper is gorgeous. It is retiring. The stamp set's carrying over, which I'm very happy about. So I'm just kind of using up bits of paper. And then there is some stamping on the top. It's kind of lost a little bit on this one because it's so patterned, but I need to stamp that first because my memento is brand newly, freshly inked. And I need it to dry before I colour it. So this piece is, well, the finished dimensions of the box, 1 inches by 1.5 by 2 inches, so 2.5 by 4 by 5. And the little piece that sits on the top is 1.25 by 1 3/4, 3.5 by 4.5 centimetres. So that's my little panel. And then what greeting shall I think I'm going to stay with, actually maybe I'm going to put thank you on there. I might put thank you on because I've not actually even used that one. Look, that's brand new. Okay. Oh, that needs a clean up. Right, so let me line that up. So I'm going to stamp this in the bottom corner. Oh. I'm going to stamp this in the bottom corner, which means that I can get my little flowers all around it. So I'm going to pull out that one and that one. Like I say, I want my memento to dry. It's my phone buzzing. There we go, so that's all stamped up, so I can set that over here to dry and I can put this box together. Lovely, quick, simple project, and yeah, I love it. So 6 by 4 inches, 15.5 by 10 centimetres, and on the long side score it at 1, 2.5, 3.5 and 5 inches, which in metric 2.5, 6.5, 9 and 13, and then turn it around and score it at 1 and 3 inches, which is 2.5 and 7.5. Okay, so burnish up your score lines. Like I say, 6 from a sheet of paper, and that's if you work in imperial. Slightly different if you work in metric. Switching from metric to imperial is something that I do quite frequently, but there is no easy direct measurement change. So okay, so when you fold it this way around, I've got 3 squares there, 3 squares here, so I'm going to cut straight down the rectangle and into the squares, and that's all 6 of them. And I really need to find my new scissors. I don't know where they are, but it's not those, so they may just head straight to the bin because they've got a duffed up tip. I don't know how that happens because I generally keep them in their cases. Now, if only I could find my 3rd pair of these. I had 3 pairs of them when they retired. I know where 2 of them are. I just don't know where the 3rd is. It's not in my office. Okay. So that's all done, and I don't know which way around you're going to see better, but I've got little wedges all the way along. So I'm going to run some tear and tape on all 6 of those little squares. And then take the backing off all of them, or attempt to take the backing off. I can't get them off with, I can't get it off with my fingernails. Do you like the colour? obviously with lockdown happening, I'm doing my own nails, but and I bought a very cheap LED UV lamp off Amazon, some top and base gel, and 6 colours. Oh, what is going on with that bit? This was meant to be red. It's very pink, but that's not bad for myself. I can't keep gel on my nails, unfortunately. It peels. I have a lot of moisture in my natural nails, and these are my natural nails, they're just coloured. But yeah, I have a lot of moisture in my nails, so I can't keep gel polish on. It peels. So in normal circumstances, my nail technician colours. She uses coloured acrylic powder to strengthen my nails. But there's no way I've got the skill set to do that. So yeah, I'm polishing my own nails, but not bad. I couldn't get all of the colour off that one. I just gently buff them a little bit to key up basically I don't take one colour off, I just scuff it so that the next layer sticks to it. Right, so that's one box built. I don't know if you saw me doing that, I was chattering away, but it just folds together like that. So now I can come in and colour that. So this is Pool Party in here, in this blue. That's Pool Party against Petal Pink. So I'm going to zoom in, and I'm coming in with the light first. So colour all over with the light, and then the dark in the centre, a bit more light, a bit more dark. And that's as simple as it is. I love blends work. And yeah, I just like to play. I don't like to take it too seriously. Although I might have to get Jack to film a video. So I shared, if you didn't see it, on my blog at the end of April, 30th of April, his birthday, I shared a card he'd made, and he used one stamp set. I've forgotten the name of it, Beautiful something. I can't remember. But he took one stamp set, stamped that, coloured it, and then went to town with his own imagination all the way around it. And it was amazing. And you were all so complimentary about it. But he thinks outside the box, literally, as far as blends is concerned. He's not bound by the working in the pairs thing that I am. So, okay. A couple of dimensionals on there. And then in 8 minutes, we've got a box made. And that's just going to sit on the top. I actually quite like that. This one sort of, it kind of got a little bit lost. The stamping part kind of got a little bit lost on the box, but this one stands out so much more. Beautiful. I love it. I'm a happy girl. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.